Hello children, good morning. So today maths class, open your textbooks page number 135. So we have finished my practice time 2 and my practice time 3 addition of fractions. Today you are seeing addition of mixed numbers. See the example children, 4 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 4. These are the mixed fractions, yes. So in order to add these mixed numbers, there are two methods. First method 1 we will see. Add the whole numbers first. These are the whole numbers 4, 1. We need to add 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. This is the first answer. Next step 2. Add the fractions after finding the LCM of denominators and changing them to like fractions. So here we need to find the LCM of these fractions 2 and 4. So 2 ones 2 twos, 2 ones 2. LCM is 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equals to we need to convert those fractions into like fractions based on the LCM as a denominator. So are you seeing? So first fraction is 1 by 2. That's why we are multiplying numerator and denominator with same number 2. 2 by 4. We got base as 4 or not, denominator as 4. Okay. So next, here also 1 by 4 into 1 by 1. We are multiplying numerator and denominator with 1 because as denominator is already 4. Okay, so now 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. These are the like fractions. We have changed them to like fractions. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equals to how much? 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. After converting them into like fractions, we got 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 3 by 4 is the second answer. 3 by 4 is the second answer. So in this way, method 1 is followed. And last step 3. Now add the first and second answer together. So we will get 5 plus 3 by 4 is equals to 5 3 by 4. So 5 3 by 4 is the final answer. Method 2. Step 1. Change both mixed numbers to improper fractions. Change both mixed numbers to improper fractions. What are the mixed numbers? First one is 4 1 by 2. Same problem. This is method 2. So here we need to multiply. You know how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2, 9 by 2. And step 2, add the fractions after finding the LCM of denominators and changing into like fractions. Step 2 is same for both method 1 and method 2. So here after converting mixed numbers to improper fractions, we get 9 by 2 and we need to convert denominator into the what we got LCM of these two denominators. So LCM is for 2 and 4. We got 4. So in order to convert LCM as a base, that means denominator, so we need to multiply numerator and denominator with same number, that is 2. Because 2 2s are 4. So that's why we are multiplying numerator also 2. 9 2 is 18 by 4. Second improper fraction, we got 5 by 4. So already denominator is 4. We got LCM also 4. So no need to multiply. Just we will multiply numerator and denominator with 1. 1 by 1, 5 by 4. So therefore, we get after converting into like fractions, we get 18 by 4 plus 5 by 4. As bases are same, denominators are same, directly you can add the numerators. 18 plus 5, 23 by 4. Okay. If final answer is an improper fraction, change it to a mixed number by dividing the numerator by the denominator to find the number of wholes and parts in the improper fraction. So we got 23 by 4. Now you need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 4 5 is 20, remainder is 3. So we need to write remainder as a numerator and same denominator as it is 5 3 by 4. Hence 5 3 by 4 is the final answer. So same now for my practice time 4C. They have given two sections. First section is you need to do using method 1 to add following mixed numbers. Second section using method 2 you need to add the following mixed numbers. Understood? So I feel that method 2 is very easy rather than method 1. Both are easy only. Let us see first problem from my practice time 4. So using method 1, we need to add the following fractions: 2 1 by 3 plus 3 1 by 6. Method 1. What is step 1 in method 1? You need to add the whole numbers. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So this is the first answer. Next step is you need to add the fractions after finding the LCM of denominators and changing them to like fractions. So first we need to find the LCM of these denominators, 3, 6. What is LCM? We got 6 only. So as LCM is 6, we need to convert those fractions denominators into like fractions. That means we need to convert the denominators as a 6. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator with the 2. 2 by 6 we will get 1 by 3 has been multiplied with 2 by 2, we will get 2 by 6. Next 3 by 6 into 1 by 1. So we will get 3 by 6. As already we have base denominator as 6, no need to multiply numerator and denominator other than 1. So this is the second answer. 5 by 6 is the second answer. After changing them into like fractions, we need to add those fractions. 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 3 by 6. Now we need to add first and second numbers. 5 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 6 means how much? 1 by 2. 3 ones, 3 twos. So now we add 5 plus 1 by 2, 5 1 by 2. So hence 5 1 by 2 is the final answer. 5 1 by 2 is the final answer. So in this way we need to do the method 1. Method 2, as already explained in lesson as examples. Next, subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. So like fractions means denominators will be same. So see here, subtract 3 by 8 from 1 5 by 8. This is mixed number again. First we need to write 1 5 by 8. From means 1 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Convert this mixed number into improper fraction and subtract the given number. As denominators are same, directly we can subtract the numerators. 13 minus 3 will get 10 by 8. Again you can reduce this 10 by 8 into simplest form by dividing numerator and denominator with 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. 8 divided by 2, 4. Next, subtraction of unlike fractions. So unlike fractions can also be subtracted. You have to remember to change them to like fractions. That is, make the denominator same before subtracting. So see here, for unlike fractions also, 8 by 10 minus 3 by 5. Let's subtract. First step. Here two denominators are different. First we will find the LCM of those denominators, 10, 5. What is the LCM in 10, 5? So 5 twos, 5 ones, 2 ones, 2 ones. So 10 is the LCM. So remember, if both are factors of same number, then we will get the greatest number only as the LCM. Next, now convert both fractions to like fractions with LCM as a denominator. That means first fraction is 8 by 10. We need to get LCM 10 only. So we need to multiply numerator and denominator with 1 only. Next, here also, next fraction is 3 by 5. In order to convert denominator to 10, we need to multiply numerator and denominator with 2. 6 by 10. Subtract 6 by 10 from 8 by 10. So 8 by 10 minus 6 by 10. Denominators are same. We will directly subtract 8 minus 6, 2 by 10, 1 by 5. This reduce it to simplest form. So in this way, we need to find subtraction of fractions for unlike fractions. For unlike fractions. Turn the page number 138. So my practice time 5. See here, as these both are like fractions, we will directly subtract the numerators. 5 minus 1, 4 by 6. 4 by 6 already reduce it to simplest form, 2 by 3. Here also 2 by 7. 1 by 3, 3 by 5. So remaining you take it as a homework. Next, subtraction of mixed numbers we will see in next class. Thank you.